everyone, in this video we're reviewing Coinbase Prime to see if it's the best crypto platform of 2026. Coinbase Prime is an all-in-one crypto platform built for institutions, high net worth individuals and businesses. Unlike the regular Coinbase app, it offers advanced trading, institutional-grade custody, staking, and detailed reporting tools. Its biggest strengths are deep liquidity, smart order routing, secure cold storage, and strong compliance features. Institutions can also stake assets like ETH, Sol, and ADA while managing large crypto portfolios in one place. In terms of security, Coinbase Prime is one of the most trusted platforms, offering insured custody, multi-layer cold storage, and enterprise-level security controls. However, it's not designed for everyday investors. It requires approval to join, may have higher fees, and is best suited for crypto funds, companies, and large investors. If you're just buying Bitcoin or Ethereum, the regular Coinbase app or Coinbase Advanced Trade is a better choice. So, is Coinbase Prime the best crypto platform of 2026? If you need institutional-grade security, liquidity, and portfolio management, it's one of the top choices. But if you're looking for the lowest fees or mainly use DeFi, other platforms may suit you better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.